What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to go over how to integrate the Nuravine, Alchemist, and Elixir and the manifold into a current culture undercurrent system. And it might be similar for other recirculating systems, but I want to make sure that if you have this system, that you have a good idea of how to integrate the manifold. So what we've done here is we've basically tried to go to the most simple fittings that we could use. And so this pump and this T right here, this comes with the undercurrent system. And so what we've actually put in here is a 3/4 inch threaded male fitting, and then the top part is actually a 1-inch barb fitting, and that's how we could use this 1-inch flex PVC. And so this is the same stuff, and this is very similar to what actually comes with the system. And so if you had some extra of that, you could use that instead, but this is pretty much the same thing. So now this is connecting all the way here right into the manifold. And so what we have here, this is 1 inch right here, and this is actually a 1-inch threaded as opposed to that, which is 3/4 inch. So this is 1 inch. And because this ball valve, it comes with two different options. It comes with the threaded option or the slip option. So if you were using, say, regular PVC, then you could use the slip and you could integrate it that way. But with the flex line and with this barb fitting, we're gonna use the threaded. Coming to the other side, we are using this 1-inch threaded male to a 3/4 inch barb, and we're using this 3/4 inch. This is pond tubing. Now I actually don't think that this is that good. We're having a little bit of issue getting it on. I mean, it's really tight, but it doesn't go on as good as what I would recommend is the Hydro Farm 3/4 inch tubing. That's a lot better than this, but this just shows you how to integrate 3/4 inch. And the reason that we're using 3/4 inch is because our chiller, it has 3/4 inch fittings right here, and so that's how we integrate it from there to the chiller. And then finally, this is when you get the undercurrent system, this is where the pump actually connects to with that gray flex tubing. But because we want to connect our chiller, we're going in from here to the chiller, and this is a 3/4 inch barb, and it's a 1-inch threaded right here. So your setup could obviously be different than this, but I hope this gives you an idea of how to integrate the manifold into an undercurrent system. All right, so one last thing. These are actually the fittings that were used in the tutorial. So this is the 3/4 inch threaded to 1-inch barb. This is the 1-inch threaded to 1-inch barb, and then this is the 1-inch threaded to 3/4 inch barb.